All right, part 2 of the 66 diesel rear tire repair. Got her on, huh?
Yeah.
Got her mounted. And it's still hard. Now, what did you find on the brakes?
Basically, whenever it was backing up, it was doing like a chattering, and the brake lever was going crazy, like it was possessed by the devil. So, took it apart, cleaned it up, and found that it was set too loose, and the linkage and stuff that was actually putting the band to the drum was rubbing on the drum, making it chatter. Now you can back it up and...
No probs, huh?
Yeah. You can go forward, no problem.
But will it stop it?
Oh yeah.
Yes. Well, that's a good problem fixed, huh?
Yes, it is.
No,
So it was just set too loose.
I just got to mount the tire, and I believe it had a new band, new liner on the band.
Yeah.
So someone did some work to it. So this guy is gonna have to go on back onto the wheel, or the center. Okay, getting the wheel back on, huh?
Yep.
Are you trying to get it balanced more?
I'm gonna be. I'm not to that point yet.
How did it go putting a tire under the wheel?
You got a couple things you gotta watch. At the valve stem goes through this hole in the wheel.
Here's some anti-seize. You want some on your face?
No,
Why?
because it gets all over just the way it is.
Then we could do a skit of Wizard of Oz, huh?
Yeah, I could be the Tin Man.
Okay, would you recommend taking the impact and just going all the way around?
No, because what you want to do is you want to draw everything up nice and keep the wheel and tire nice and true. If you start just hammering stuff down, your wheel and tire is going to wobble as you, like if you're in a road gear and you're going down the road, it's going to wobble. You got to try and draw everything up nice and even.
Kind of surprised I painted the inside of the rim and I didn't cover nothing up, but the way that I painted it, I just left it upright. So the paint wasn't like coming down on it. And it seemed to work. Primed it, painted it, I think 2 coats. And all the flaws were fixed. So hopefully won't have a problem anymore, huh? What are you doing with that?
I'm going to make sure the wheel's running true. So, as you turn this now, you can see it'll go away from, the tire will go away from the block and it will go toward the block.
Yeah, there it's toward almost touching it.
So now we know if we want to true this thing up, this part has to come in a little bit, which should kick the top out. So we'll give these 2 clamps a little bit.
Oh, it's away. Oh, it's going toward close. Might have to loosen the top ones too a little bit.
Might have to.
Yeah, right there is the way. I'll probably loosen them a little bit. Maybe like these 3 or 4 or something. Tighten.
Tighten.
It's better. A lot better.
A lot better.
Is it getting true?
Oh, I think it's closer yet, no.
It's not bad. Probably within 1/4 inch. Now you want to try and get it so the center is touching this part when it's driving forward. Otherwise, if it's not, it might slip in the clamps if you're pulling it hard. 'Cause that's where you generally have most of your torque. You do have some in reverse too.
In your forward direction.
All right, you think it's ready to go?
I think so.
You should use a handyman jack. I heard good things about them. All right, let's see what it's got. Oh, it's not the greatest.
But do we want to screw with it?
We got different wheel here. This one has humps in the rim. This one does not. Different style. Maybe this is like a newer rim. Like a replacement one or something. I don't know. Alright, let's try it out. See if she'll go. And don't you have to crack the throttle? Isn't that what worked last time?
Yeah. It gives it more fuel to help fire it off.
All right, got them in. Not a lot of room to spare, but kind of how they were. Do you like all of our tractors and equipment? If so, you can show me support by hitting that thumbs up or thumbs down if you didn't like it. Leave a comment. Consider subscribing, it's free. YouTube will notify you when I release a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.